Hey y'all, what's up? It is your girl, Mona Ann, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. And this is gonna be quick, I promise. So let's get started. Alright y'all, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. The first shade that I'm using from this Karity Smoky palette is Radioactive, and I am just going to apply that to my crease using a blending brush. After Radioactive, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I am going to apply the shade Tasty also in my crease. Gonna work that back and forth. And I know you guys have noticed that I jumped right into my eyeshadow. Just to let y'all know, my eyes are primed and I use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime them. And my brows is done as well. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, I have a tutorial on that and I will drop the link in the description box. So next I am going to jump into Scandal, and this is also from Karity Smoky palette. All of these shades are there. I am going to take the pencil brush that I used for Tasty, and I am going to blend Scandal and Tasty all in one into Radioactive. And as you guys can see, it's giving me this beautiful, you know, tropical tangy look. I was about to say flavor, but it's giving me this beautiful tropical tangy color, and I'm just going to keep blending. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. My camera did die at some point, and I noticed it a little later, but anyways, it died when I carved my cut crease. And most of you guys know how I do my cut crease. If you don't know how I do my cut crease, I have a million videos showing you guys how to do that. So the shade that I am using to top this cut crease is Stargasm in this shade. Again, it's also from the Karity Smoky palette. Then I'm just going to take Scandal, and I am going to work that on the outer part of my cut crease and blend it into Stargasm with a pencil brush. Now, to top off this eyeshadow, I am going to add some glitter. I'm applying my glitter glue on the cut crease on Stargasm, and the glitter that I am using is Violet Voss Champagne Kisses. I believe it's Champagne Kisses. I'm not sure. If I am wrong, I will definitely have it down in the caption. After Champagne Kisses, I am going to take my Urban Decay Razor Sharp gold liquid liner, and I am going to trace over the cut crease, well, half of the cut crease, just highlight it a little bit with the Razor Sharp liner. Now with a simple black eye pencil, I'm just going to mark my waterline, and this is Wet n Wild. Just so you guys know, my face, it's already done. I wanted this to be a quick look. So for my lash line, I am using Scandal again, and I've connected to my eyeshadow, well, the top of my eyeshadow, and I'm bringing it down all the way to my lash line, but not my complete lash line. I'm just halfway, you know, just smoking it out a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit my eyes with a little, well, my lashes, bottom lashes, with a little bit of mascara. So now for the highlight, I'm using Gerard's Cosmetics Lucy Illuminator, and I hit my brow bone, my nose, cheekbone, cupid's bow. Y'all know the routine. Now I'm going to go into lips, Knobby Lip Pencil, shade Hot Cocoa. I'm just going to line my lips with them, y'all. Don't come for me in the comments about, you know, how, you know, fast and unorganized, I guess I would put it, or sloppy I'm lining my lips. It doesn't really matter because I'm putting lipstick on it in the first place. I just want to line my lips and, you know, blend it out to give my lips a little bit more of a darker tone around the rim. So the lip shade that I've chosen is from Colored Rain, and this is Pink Panther. So I'm gonna apply that, you know, pop it to my top lip so I don't, you know, I don't want it to be too caked up on my lips. So I'm just gonna do that. And pretty much done here with this look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this really quick makeup tutorial, 6-minute makeup tutorial to be exact. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Mona Deluxe, and subscribe, tell your friends, comment. I'd like to hear y'all feedback, and I'll see you guys for my next video.